tuberculosis is a very common thing.
Yeah.
It's a very common, but you don't know when is it going to affect you.
Yeah.
But you must know it can happen every time. I want everybody to be aware about TB. And we also encourage the family of somebody who is in treatment to go and check, because it can affect some people who stay with. So they must all go and test for TB, because that time you didn't know that you have TB. So you can affect everybody in the house. Sometimes we got a lot of challenges. With the community, because some they don't want to go and test for TB.
Okay.
This is a big challenge. Firstly, they don't want to wake up early to go and get the treatment at the clinic.
Right.
So now we just, as a community, we got health workers who take some treatment, and then if I'm staying here, the people who are around here can come and have the treatment there by my house. Because the only thing we want them to have the treatment.
Right.
We're just doing the soup kitchen for the patient who's having treatment, because some they don't have something to eat. They can't eat. They can't have treatment without having some
eating.
Food. Most of people are not working here, and that cause of a lot of crime.
Okay. Within the community or outside?
Within the community.
I have to say it. I think you're doing an incredible job working in many different areas of the community, which obviously I'm here to make awareness for tuberculosis, and you're on the ground making things happen, but also, like you said, working for rape victims in the community.
Rape victims, yes.
I think that you're making a massive difference to the people here, you know, and it's inspiring for me coming here, seeing the hard work that you're doing, and I hope that I can help.
Even that, if I'm not on duty, the community knew that if they got rape survivors and TB survivors, they just come to my house. You won't know that I'm at work. Even I don't have the time to rest, even if I'm in my house.